As we covered in the video entry and starting, there are a couple of ways to unlock the boot, via the button or by using keyless entry. Once open, what do we need to be aware of? Working from top to bottom, you have the load space cover, a 12-volt accessory socket, interior lighting, and a stowing ring. There's also the movable crosspiece of the rear seats. This means you can increase the volume of the boot. The boot floor has 2 positions. This enables you to expand the volume of the boot. Your choice of powertrain between plug-in hybrid, petrol or diesel will determine what's under the boot floor. For electric vehicles, this is where your charging cable will be stored. For petrol and diesel cars, you'll have some storage wells and a toolbox. That's a lot for one boot. There will of course be occasions when we require a little more space in the back of the vehicle. Fortunately, this is not a problem, thanks to the individual folding seats. Firstly, ensure that the head restraints are in the low position whenever you're moving the seats. And it goes without saying, only move the seats when the car is stationary. All of the seats can be moved both forward and backwards to suit the passenger or to increase boot space. This is done by raising the control under the seat, and then moving to the desired position. Furthermore, the backrest can also be adjusted to suit the passenger by pulling on the seat strap located to the left or right of the seat. If you'd like to fold the seats down entirely, first ensure that the headrests are in the low position. If necessary, move the seats forward for extra space. Then make sure there are no obstructions that could interfere with the seat folding. Following this, check the seat belts are properly tensioned. This will stop them getting tangled on the way down or back up again. And make sure the tongues of the belts are correctly in the storage position. Folding the seat uses the same actions to move the seat, but just together. So first, firmly pull the seat strap to release the backrest and then guide the backrest to a horizontal position. When you'd like to put the seats back up, make sure you're holding the seatbelt throughout. This saves it getting stuck. Move the backrest back to the upright position, making sure that you hear the click. This means it's latched into place. Double check that the seat strap has moved back to its original position. And then just make sure the seatbelt hasn't got stuck anywhere. And it's all done. Once the boot is closed, it will lock automatically if it's been opened with the boot release button. If it's been unlocked with the rest of the vehicle, it will remain unlocked until the car is locked again.
Citroën.